Okay, good morning, guys. Tonight I'm gonna share with you about my update of my passive trade in passive trade income. You see, okay. I got someone who's been um, following me, and he just registered and had his and funded his account, my passive trade. So here is my update of my passive trade. So far so good. I started last October 21st, and it's almost 6 weeks. So I've I've earned 1,552, and I have withdrawn 643, and the rest of this, I compounded it. I bought ad packs again in order to earn more. Okay, so it's each ad pack, it cost me five dollars each, and it's 1% a day, and it will expired after 125 days. So I'm gonna share with you because my friend asked me how to withdraw. If you want to withdraw, okay, I will show you on how to withdraw this. I have a total balance here, and this one is I can withdraw this. So I will try to withdraw this. I go to my wallet. How to withdraw your fund from my passive trade. I go to my wallet, take the withdraw money. Okay, so I will pick the balance for 4.90. So look at this, guys. You have to fee 0.44 from your 44.90. So you will receive $44.51, and it equivalent to Bitcoin. Okay, I'm using Bitcoin. So this is my address, my wallet. Now, guys, I will push this because this one is to cover up the this is the secret password. Okay, here we go. We're back. Says now withdrawal. It says the withdrawal requested has been initiated. So I need to wait this at least the very most 6 hours, and it goes to my account. This one here, Exodus. I use Exodus wallet. So that's it. I withdraw usually 44, $48 a day, but I converted it into a different. Tonight I need to start a new one, which is called Myrevtubeptc. So I will buy some ad packs as well in Myrevtubeptc. Just to start, I will see how it goes, how the company runs, just for trial. But I really love my passive trades. This has been 1 year ago, so it's been doing great. We don't have any problem with it. Okay, So guys, I'm here with my Myrevtubeptc. Okay, so I will try to add deposit fund here because I want to buy an app. The ad pack will cost me. I have an options to choose from. So the option to choose from is from $5, $10, $20, and $50. If I have to choose $10, okay, I will pay monthly membership, which is $5 a month, okay? And my daily return is $1.20. Okay. Now I have a bonus of surfing and credits, which is good for me because I can use this with my channel, my YouTube channel, my videos, and so maximum I'm not gonna buy all this. It's just uh I don't want to risk my money. You see, all opportunity, guys, I will tell you, all what I'm doing is not guaranteed that you can earn the same. Actually, if you don't have that, we recommend not to put your money that you cannot afford to. So this is just, if you're a very risky person, you can do it. You see, because if you don't learn things which is risky, your mind won't grow. Okay, so you need to be, you need to be very strong person. If you're not that kind of person, please don't do it. Otherwise, you see, it's you cannot blame also the person that who recommend you this type of opportunity. So you mean do your own diligence, do the research, because usually I do research before I'm doing it. If I know that it it would last a little bit longer, or not even, I don't I don't blame anyone. I keep just learning. Okay, here we go. So I will try to buy this, but first of all, I need to find this. I need to go to my account. Winter. It's because I'm in Spain. It speaks Spanish. I will try to put it in English. Oh no, that's not English, Egypt. Right, yeah. Okay, turn English. Now I'm going to my account, and by here, guys, you see, you earn this one for free. You earn money from here for free, just like me. I've been doing this for 3 days already, and I see PTC. You click it, and you will earn by cents. See this? Click here. If you're good on clicking with it, you will earn money here for free. Okay. See, wait for the time and the counter. It will show you to, if I'm not mistaken, you will choose one of the see. So you have to these words. Look for the words. The item. The thing. Look for the picture of scissor. Okay, send it. See, I've earned 1 cent. Okay, no one's giving 1 cent. See, okay, so that's 1 cent. Okay, you have to click again because it says there you have 5. So another last 4. Just wait to it until once it disappear, the words will come out, and you have to look for the 4 types of picture there. Click the correct picture. Okay, hang on. Just hang on. You see, look at this cloud. So you have to click the cloud and click send. Another sense, you see, this one is 1 cent, $1 cents. Close. Another one. Just keep clicking. I mean, if you're very hard, you are good on clicking this, you will earn money. And by the way, by buying ad packs, it depends how much the price of ad pack you choose, and you have to visit your account every day because you need to click ads. If you don't click your ads, you will not earn money. See, just like this. And my next video, I will show you how I will do it. Okay. Once I funded my account, I will show you. I mean, I will show you on how I will do it and how many ad share I need to sort. Airplane, we go. Let's see. Each advertising. You see, PTC means pay to click. They will pay you if you click them. Pay to click PTC, and that's what the mean. The Myrevtube PTC, and that's the meaning. Rev is word from rev share. Tube, the CEO said that tube is a tube of people, group of people. That's what he said. He's a Spanish person. I mean, 3 of them. They're all Spanish people, but I think the the 2 owner live in America, and one is in Mexico. I attended one of one of the last week webinar, and they explain the 3 of them. They explain how they work the team, the project. This is been, I think it's already launched or it's still launching. This is a new one. So it's good to just join it when it's new one. Otherwise, if you join very late, sometimes the company doesn't don't you see doesn't last for so long. Okay, here we go. How many already? Um, it says there are 5, but there are lots of things to click. I mean, So many things to click. 35, there's another one. $30. The first 30 days. Partnership programs. Well, okay. I think guys, this is the last thing that I just show you. This is all the same. You have to click. You see, just click it. And if you want to join, I will leave the link below. And just register it. Very easy. If you just want to keep clicking, and you see, and actually here you can join and earn money. If you are good or referring to friends, you don't have to buy ad packs. You just keep clicking a day. For example, this one, videos, YouTube videos. See, YouTube videos you can put here, but I think you cannot put your YouTube video by free. You need to buy. Like for example, $1. It takes your $1. It takes about 10 views. Your $1, 10 views per $1. Your YouTube video. So it's good if you're looking for someone who wants to views your YouTube, your videos, you can pay here. But I have also another platform which is hold my Bitcoin Joke. That one there, I have lots of views because it's also type of, it's a kind of rev share as well. Put advertising ads and all, and people there keep watching videos. It's like actually helping each other inside the platform. And I think there are 76,000 now people inside that platform. So that's so good. I love it because like me, I am very new in this channel, YouTube channel. I need subscribers, I need viewers. So the platform helped me a lot. So okay guys, I think that's it for tonight. It's actually night time really. So before going to sleep, I just record this video so that I can just post it, and you know, by tomorrow I'm ready to do other thing. So see you next video. And if you're new to my channel, please on the subscribe on my channel and hit the notification button. And if you want something, please comment. Okay, maybe you need help, just comment below and I will answer your comment. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.